How to get branded Facebook hashtag. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the tutorial. First of all, you have to open Facebook on your mobile or desktop, whatever you want to use. Then you have to go back, as I was just doing some work. Now I have to go on the what's on your mind option and then go on the background color, and then I have to select the hashtag that I want and write it down over here. Let's say I am writing this down. Now as I'm writing this down, you will see the notification that I am getting down the suggestion. But as soon as I stop getting suggestion, then if I post this on my Facebook feed, this will become my branded hashtag on Facebook. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.